Alright guys, what's up? So today I'm going to show you where to install the KTM off-road dongle on your Enduro R or SMC 690 KTM. Real easy. For anybody that doesn't know what this is, it basically saves your settings so that you don't have to change the traction control and the power mode and all that every time you get on the bike. So super simple. It also, I believe it has something where if you get bad gas, it can change the mapping or something to help you limp to a gas station without damaging the motor in any way. So that's pretty cool. But as far as installing it, it's real simple. It plugs into the diagnostic connector. It comes with this bracket, which you're not going to need, so don't even worry about it. So you're going to start off by taking off the seat, and then you're going to see the ECU here just kind of pops off of its tabs, and then you've got this plate which is bolted down on top of your battery. You're going to take out those two 8mm bolts, and KTM was nice enough to give us a little tab right here that is ready for that dongle to slide onto. So I'm going to put the camera down for a second and slide it on there. Alright, I've got it on. Now your dongle already comes with a little rubber piece attached, so literally all you have to do is slide on that plastic tab, and then you're going to take the dummy plug. See if I can do this with one hand. You're going to take the cap off your diagnostic connector, and you're just going to connect it up right here. There we go. And then you're just going to tuck these wires together and put everything back together. It's as simple as that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. KTM 690 Enduro R. Personally, my favorite dual sports and one of my favorite motorcycles. So, hope you guys enjoy yours and your dongle. See you in the next one.